Lisa Reavers. I'm University of Minnesota Master Gardener, Rice County, and welcome to our August edition of Gardening Time at the Library. So this month I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Japanese beetles, how to do some harvesting of seeds, and we'll see what else we find in the garden. So what we are looking at right now are Japanese beetles, and they are crazy. And yep, you're seeing down here a trap that is going to attract them with a type of bait, which the female actually gives off when she is ready to breed. And that we're hoping in that instance that they will come and that they will fall into the trap, which is down here. Now I know that there are a lot of different ideas about these traps, and that they draw them in from miles away, which they do. However, if you look at this tomato plant, there isn't any deveining going on. So apparently the beetles don't care for tomatoes and their tastiness for leaves. Now, some people will say that this is going to draw in a whole lot of extra beetles that normally wouldn't be in the area. And to some extent, absolutely yes, I believe that. But when you look at what I have here in terms of beetles, that's what I have caught and won't breed and won't lay eggs to go on for next year. They are active for just about a month and a half in breeding and eating up everything. But better to be here with the hopes of falling into this bag than leaving it up to happenstance to see how many we might be able to handpick or kill. Because I know that the feeling right now is that they would rather have you handpick and throw them in a bucket full of soapy water, and that has not worked for me. This is the method that has worked. So they can certainly come in from miles around and get my lure, and hopefully they will smell that, try and climb on the plastic, and fall in. Or has found a place or a crevice where she can put her little ones, and that means that she has an active nest somewhere. And that is a delight, versus this, where there's deveining going on. And there's another Japanese beetle. So they really seem to, there we got some more happy circles. But they seem to really like grapevine. I've seen them on zinnias, I've seen them on cucumbers. And the other way you can do this without a lot of time and money is, if you see them, pick them off and kill them, squish them, or throw them on the ground where you can get a good shot of them. So instead of spending a lot of time and money on traps and making sure that they hit the bags instead of flying off, you can actually pick them off the plant and squish them. Now, a lot of people will get the heebie-jeebies doing that, and I completely understand. Get them on a good solid surface, lay them down, preferably on their back, and step on them. These actually came over with some vegetables onto the East Coast, and they have slowly made their way across the country to the Midwest. And right now they don't have any predators, so that's just us doing our hand picking and squashing them, putting them in bags, or hopefully they lose their traction on the plastic of those bags and out it goes. So something else you can do, if you can see it here, the leaves look kind of shiny. What I've actually done here is I have sprayed some neem oil on them, 100% neem oil, and it's actually a thicker oil, so you have to kind of let it warm up. I let it warm up in the sun before I decided to spray it on these grape leaves. the Japanese beetle will eat the leaves and they'll go through the process of laying eggs, but there's something in the neem oil that will keep or prevent the grubs from becoming beetles, and they will die in the soil. So there are a few different things you can do. Also, you can do milky spore, spray that, and it will attack the grubs while they're in the soil and growing. There's also some nematodes that you can use, and you spray that probably 3 times a year, and the nematodes will end up multiplying, and then they will actually feed on the grubs as well.